Apollo versus Zoominfo, which platform is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which platform is better among Apollo and Zoominfo. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Apollo. Apollo provides a vast database with millions of verified contacts, making it perfect for lead generation. It offers built-in CRM capabilities to manage contacts and outreach efforts all in one place. Users can narrow down prospects based on specific criteria, increasing the chances of finding the right leads. The platform includes email tracking features, enabling users to monitor open and response rates effectively. Its intuitive design makes it easy for users to navigate and utilize all the features without much hassle. New users may find the complex features challenging to navigate initially. The free version has restrictions that may not meet the needs of larger teams or businesses. It includes additional transaction fees alongside payment processing fees, potentially reducing profit margins. Now, let's come towards Zoominfo. Zoominfo is known for its comprehensive business database, offering extensive company and contact information. The platform provides advanced search functionalities, allowing users to filter results based on various criteria. Includes robust tools for account-based marketing, helping teams target specific companies effectively. It offers integration with numerous CRM systems, facilitating a seamless workflow for sales teams. Users can access real-time alerts on company changes, enabling proactive engagement with prospects. Pricing can be on the higher side, which may not be feasible for smaller businesses. The platform may have a steeper learning curve due to its extensive features and functionalities. It could be overwhelming for users who require only basic information or tools for their outreach efforts. Choosing between Apollo and Zoominfo depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize a comprehensive CRM with advanced searching capabilities, Apollo might be the better choice for you. On the other hand, if you're looking for an extensive business database with robust account-based marketing tools, Zoominfo could be your go-to solution. That's all for the video.